This is the Alesis Command X mesh. This is the snare, and it was playing intermittently, so decided to take it apart. Show you what I found. The head came off. This foam was underneath it. That comes off. Now this little piece here, this foam ring, is underneath this part here. In order to get this out, there's 3 screws. You just gotta move when it's on there, you just gotta move the foam to the side, and you can access at an angle the 3 Phillips head screws there. So the problem was I couldn't really see anything till I got down here, and then what I noticed is that when I turned this over, that red wire is just broke. So it's in a little awkward position for me, because in order to repair that with my soldering iron, I'm going to have to use like a sensor right here underneath. I have to remove that little cover. It's like a little fabric cover. Peel that up and see what access I have, how much of this wire I can get in through there, because then maybe I can just solder it that way, and then I can just extend it. But yeah, that's the problem right there. It was straight on, so while I was hitting it, it was hitting one trigger was working, but that red wire was rubbing, so sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. This is the problem. It's pretty stiff too. I don't really understand why. I don't really see too many wires break like that right there. Anyway.